Let me ask you something. When was the last time you searched for something on Google and clicked to page 2? Exactly.
Page 2 of Google is practically the best place to hide a dead body.
Thousands of potential customers are searching Google for exactly what your business offers. But they are finding your competitor instead of you. Not because your competitor is better than you, not because they have a bigger budget than you, but simply because they understood something that most Nigerian businesses and most beginner digital marketers are still missing.
They understood SEO, and that changed everything. This is the secret to their massive digital growth. It is truly that simple.
In 2026 than it ever has before, and the practical steps you can take today to start making your business or your client's business visible on Google. Whether you are a business owner trying to get found online or a student building your digital marketing career, this video is going to change how you see the internet forever. Let us get into it. Welcome back to Genesis Digital Solutions, where we turn complex digital marketing concepts into clear, practical knowledge you can use immediately. If you missed our last video on how to build a complete digital marketing strategy, go and watch that first. The link is in the description. Today's video builds directly on that foundation. Here is what we are going to cover today. 1. What SEO actually is and why it matters right now. 2. How Google decides who ranks on page 1. 3. The 3 pillars of SEO every beginner must know. 4. Keyword research, how to find what your audience is searching for. 5. On-page SEO, how to optimize your content to rank. 6. Practical steps to start your SEO journey today. 6 topics, 1 video, everything you need to go from invisible to visible on Google. Let us start with the basics. Section 1. What exactly is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. In the simplest possible terms, SEO is the process of making your website or your content appear at the top of Google when someone searches for something related to your business. Let me paint you a picture. Imagine you run a catering business in Lagos. Someone in Victoria Island pulls out their phone and types into Google, "Best catering service in Lagos." In the next half a second, Google shows them a list of results. The businesses that appear at the top get the calls. The businesses that appear on page 2 or page 3 get nothing. SEO is what puts you at the top of that list. Now here is what makes SEO different from every other form of digital marketing. When you run a Facebook ad, you pay for every person who sees it. The moment you stop paying, the visibility disappears. But with SEO, once you rank on page 1 of Google, that traffic comes to you for free every single day without paying for a single ad. That is why SEO is considered one of the most powerful long-term investments any business or digital marketer can make. And in Nigeria, where advertising costs are rising and competition on social media is increasing every day, SEO is becoming more valuable than ever before. Section 2. How does Google actually decide who appears on page 1? This is the question every business owner and every digital marketing student needs to understand deeply. Google has one job: to give its users the most relevant, most trustworthy, most useful result for whatever they searched for. To do that, Google uses a complex system called an algorithm. And while nobody outside of Google knows every detail of that algorithm, we do know the 3 things Google values most. First, relevance. Is your content actually about what the person searched for? If someone searches for digital marketing training in Nigeria and your page is about fashion, Google will never show it. Your content must match the search intent of your audience. Second, authority. Does Google trust your website? Authority is built when other reputable websites link back to your content. These are called backlinks. The more quality backlinks you have, the more Google sees you as an expert worth recommending. Third, experience. Does your website give users a good experience? Is it fast? Does it work well on mobile? Is the content easy to read and navigate? Google watches how users behave on your site and rewards websites that keep people engaged. Relevance, authority, experience. These 3 factors determine where you rank. And the good news is all 3 can be improved, even with a brand new website, even with zero budget. Section 3. The 3 pillars of SEO. Think of SEO as a 3-legged stool. Remove any one leg, and the whole thing falls. Pillar 1. Technical SEO. This is the foundation. Technical SEO is about making sure your website is built in a way that Google can find it, read it, and understand it. This includes things like your website loading speed, your mobile friendliness, your URL structure, and your site security. If your website takes more than 3 seconds to load, Google will push you down the rankings. And in Nigeria, where mobile data speeds vary, this matters even more than in other markets. Pillar 2. On-page SEO. This is about optimizing the actual content on each page of your website. It includes using the right keywords in the right places, writing compelling page titles and descriptions, using proper heading structures, and making sure your images have descriptive file names and alt text. On-page SEO is the pillar that beginner digital marketers can start working on immediately, even without a developer. Pillar 3, off-page SEO. This is everything that happens outside your website that signals trust and authority to Google. The most important off-page SEO activity is building backlinks, getting other websites to link to your content. Other activities include guest posting, social media signals, and online reviews. Technical, on-page, off-page. Master all three, and your website becomes a traffic-generating machine that works for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even while you sleep. Section 4. Keyword research. Keyword research is the process of finding out exactly what words and phrases your ideal audience types into Google when they are looking for what you offer. And this is where most beginners make a critical mistake. They guess. They assume they know what their customers are searching for, and they create content based on that guess. But guessing is not a strategy. Here is how to do keyword research properly. Step 1. Start with your core topic. What is your business about? What service do you offer? Write down 3 to 5 broad topics. Step 2. Use a free keyword research tool. Tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ubersuggest, and Google Search Console are completely free and incredibly powerful. Type in your core topic, and the tool will show you hundreds of related keywords that people are actually searching for, along with how many people search for each one every month. Step 3. Target long-tail keywords. Long-tail keywords are longer, more specific search phrases. Instead of targeting the word marketing, which is searched millions of times and dominated by huge global websites, target something like digital marketing training for beginners in Lagos, which is searched by a much more specific audience and far easier to rank for. For students, keyword research is a service you can offer to clients starting from day one. You do not need to build a website or run a single ad. You just need to know how to use the free tools and present the findings professionally. Section 5. On-page SEO. Now that you know what keywords your audience is searching for, you need to make sure those keywords appear in the right places on your website or content. Here is your practical on-page SEO checklist. Title, tag. Your page title is the first thing Google reads. It should include your primary keyword, naturally. Meta description. This is the short description that appears under your page title in Google search results. It should be between 150 and 160 characters. Include your keyword and give users a compelling reason to click on your link. Headings. Use your keyword in your main heading and use related keywords in your subheadings. This helps Google understand the structure and topic of your content. Content quality. Google rewards content that is genuinely helpful, well-written, and comprehensive. Write for your human reader first and for Google second. Answer their question completely. Internal links. Link from one page of your website to another related page. This helps Google discover more of your content and keeps visitors on your site longer. Image optimization. Give every image on your website a descriptive file name and alt text that includes your keyword. Google cannot see images, but it can read the text you use to describe them. These 6 on-page elements cost nothing to implement. And for any student watching, this checklist is something you can audit for a client and present as a professional SEO report within your first week of practice. Section 6. Your practical steps to start your SEO journey today. No more theory. Here is exactly what to do after you finish this video. If you are a business owner, Step 1. Go to Google right now and search for your own business category in your city. See who appears on page 1. Those are your competitors. Study their websites. Step 2, sign up for a free Google Search Console account and connect it to your website. This shows you exactly how Google currently sees your website and what keywords you are already appearing for. Step 3. Pick one page on your website and apply the on-page SEO checklist from this video. Just one page. Do it today. If you are a digital marketing student, step 1. Create a free account on Ubersuggest. Pick any Nigerian business in your city. Run a keyword search for their industry and write down 10 keywords they should be targeting. Step 2. Visit their website and audit it against their on-page SEO checklist. How many elements are missing? Step 3. Put your findings into a simple one-page document. That document is your first SEO audit report, and it is something you can present to that business as a service. You have just taken your first real step toward becoming a professional SEO specialist. The journey of 1,000 page 1 rankings begins with a single keyword. Let us bring everything together. Today we covered 6 powerful sections. 1. SEO is how you get found on Google for free, long-term, and consistently. 2. Google ranks content based on relevance, authority, and user experience. 3. The 3 pillars of SEO are technical, on-page, and off-page. 4. Keyword research shows you exactly what your audience is searching for. 5. On-page SEO puts your keywords in the right places to signal relevance to Google. 6. You have a clear action plan to start today. Whether you are a business owner or a student, SEO is not magic. It is not complicated. It is a skill, and like every skill, the more you practice it, the more powerful you become at it. Start today. Be consistent, and within 90 days, you will begin to see your business or your client's business climbing up the Google rankings. My name is Bajomo Ayodeji. Thank you so much for watching Genesis Digital Solutions. If this video added value to you, please like it right now, share it with a business owner or a fellow student who needs to hear this, and subscribe to Genesis Digital Solutions so you never miss a video. And drop a comment below. Tell me, is your business currently showing up on Google, or are you invisible right now? Let me know and let us have a conversation in the comments. See you in the next one.